Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel Economics Knowledge. In this channel, we are understanding the basic concepts of economics, and our today's topic is positive and normative economics. Let's understand these topics. At first, positive economics. Positive economics studies the things as they are. It deals with economic issues which are subject to verification, like the extent of poverty and unemployment. So, positive economics deals with things as they are. It deals with objective, fact-based statements about the economy. Statements that describe what is and what was and can be tested and verified. It avoids subjective judgment or opinions. For example, India is overpopulated. It is a positive statement. Whether it is right or wrong, we can verify it. Now let's understand what is normative economics. Normative economics deals with things as they ought to be. It gives value judgment. It tells how the economic problem should be solved, like the problem of poverty. So normative economics deals with the opinions of the economists related to economic issues or problems, and it relates to what ought to be. It is based on judgment and opinions. For example, free education should be given to the poor. This example is just an opinion. It is not fact. We cannot verify it. So let's see the difference between positive economics and normative economics. Positive economics deals with economic issues related to past, present, and future, whereas normative economics deals with opinions of the economists related to economic issues or problems. Number 2, statements of positive economics relate to what was, what is, and what would be, whereas statements of normative economics relate to what ought to be. Number 3, statements of positive economics are not necessarily the statement of truth. These may be true or false. Whereas normative statements cannot be termed as true or false. These statements involve opinions only. Number 4, facts and figures are verifiable for truth, whereas normative statements are not verifiable at all. Number 5, positive economics does not involve value judgment, whereas normative economics involves value judgment. So these are some of the differences between positive economics and normative economics. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.